Hey everyone, this is Jessica again, and this time I wanted to show you how I make lemonade. Now I'm not going to guarantee it's the right way to make it, but I have some of my glass right here. It's what's left of it anyway. Yes, it's a Mickey Mouse Disney cup from like 2000. But as you can see, what's in it? It's lemonade that I made myself. I'm going to show you how as soon as I finish drinking what's left in here. Okay, so this, so you can see what it is. It's lemon squeeze made with organic lemon juice and organic lemon oil. But I have actual lemon to show you that. Actual lemon, real lemon. We're gonna need more lemons. See, got a bag of lemons. So, I'm close to that. I'm using my laptop to record this. Take the sticker off. Okay, and before we start, please hit the like button. That would be grateful. I'd be very grateful. And subscribe too. Gotta get my sugar here. But, okay, see, and my hands are clean, by the way, they are. But I will go wash them. I gotta be clumsy and knock everything over while I'm doing this too. I will wash them real fast so you can see that my hands are clean. I live in a motel room right now, so bear with me. Couple of dirty dishes in there, so I'm sorry about that. You can see what I do and I wash my hands. And here we go. So you can see, clean hands. Set this one down. Move that out of the way before I accidentally break it. Something on my screen. Bear with me, I know. So, see, it's empty. I'm gonna go rinse it out. Rinse it out. Be right back. Just so you all know, this, I'm going to put water in so that I can pour it into this when I show you, instead of doing it all by the sink, which will probably make more sense, but from more space right here. This is empty and it's clean, nice, clean, empty. Never promised this would be a short video. Now it has water in it and I would show you, but obviously can't tip it. Okay, so empty cup, your lemon. You can squeeze it in there. See, just be clumsy like me and just throw it in the bottom of the cup. Okay. Show you what I'm doing down here. And yeah, squeeze it out real good. All the juice. All the juice. Come on. I'll do it with this one. And obviously you can cut it to squeeze it however you like. But I just decided to do it this way. God only knows why. Anyhow, and you can shake this up and pour it in if that's what you want. You see, this is pure juice, so it's, yeah, 100% all natural lemon, so it's the same as squeezing out a lemon. This is just an easier, simpler way. Or you can be like me, you want to do it both ways. Put your lemon however you want. I'm going to quarter it. Pretty much quarter it anyway. See, I cut it like this actually. So squeeze the rest of it here. You can see that it was empty, and now you see how much of it is lemon juice. Some of it freshly squeezed, all natural. Some of it out of that, which is still all natural, but not freshly squeezed. Yeah, so got that. Let me go wash my hands real fast. Now that I got all the lemon juice off of here, I'm gonna sit down and hi. As you can see, that is not any water added to it. That is just the lemon juice. Water, pour that in there. However much you want of it, whatever. Don't really have an actual recipe, so I can't tell you anything, but as you can see, looks like lemonade. I mean, not as yellow because it obviously is, but yeah. Clean spoon, it's okay. Stirring it up, the water and everything in there. It's gonna be a little bit of pulp because, you know, fresh squeezed, all of that. And if you want, you can try it like this now. It's not gonna be sweet because there's no sugar in it yet, but see, got enough lemon in there. Got enough lemon. Okay. Actually, I might need a little bit more lemon. Squeeze. A little bit more. Well, I didn't mean quite that much, but okay. Spoon and fish the guy out of there. Try. Oh yeah, that's definitely lemon. Sugar. This is pure cane sugar. Okay, I don't measure this either. So you can see what I'm doing. Pour it in there, however sweet you want it or bitter or whatever. Everybody has their own taste. Okay, stir it up. Do this so I can check to see if it has little sugar granules still at the bottom. Obviously it does. I don't generally do how-to videos, so I don't know the right way to go about doing this. how to make lemonade in glass. See, looks like lemonade. Tastes like lemonade. I like it, but you know, I don't have anybody to test this out on. Yeah, but anyway, the complete product is, as you can see, lemonade in a glass. Well, that was my how-to video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you don't know how to make lemonade, now you do. Bye, and I hope everybody subscribes and hits the like button. And then, of course, the notifications if you want to be notified of my new videos, which I'm so awkward at this, so you probably don't. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it.